Have you ever wondered, like the chats, GPT chats can be well organized and the prompts can be saved. And if you feel like, hey, the chat GPT can be improvised better, well, there is an option I found out. So let's get started. So this is about a chat GPT wrapper called Magai. So this is the tool. You can see I have just logged into the tool. The thing is like, let's go into their official website and see what they were saying about this one. And our session is going to be like, I'm going to cover like how this Magai is used. We are going to compare it with ChatGPT 3 and the ChatGPT 3.5 version. And it also has some cool features. We are going to cover most of the things. And yeah, at last, it's you are going to decide. So this is a paid tool, but it comes with some 7 days trial, and it has some cool features. So let's get into it one by one. First thing, what is Magai? So, like a couple of days back, I just heard about this, and I was wondering what this tool is about and what they are doing, and why we need it. Like we have the ChatGPT free, right? And if you want the latest one, or like if you want to get the latest information, we can use Bing search, or like there are some alternatives. So why do we need this wrapper? So I had the same question, and I just found out like this is a pretty good and decent tool. So what they are doing is like they are giving us a chat folder option, and they are also giving us like we can able to save the chats, and we can able to. They are even giving few more options like image editor, image library. We can able to save the prompt. That's something like I really liked it. And there is something called personas. Like, hey, if I'm a marketer, can you just tell me the prompt in a marketing manner way? Those things. So those things are also there. And yeah, they are making use of ChatGPT 3.5, ChatGPT 4 API. But so we can able to see the usage, like how we use everything here. So let's get into the website first. So I let's go to like yeah, I think this should be the website where I found out like this cool thing. So there's a deal going on, but yeah, let's go into the tool and we'll see like what this tool is all about, everything. Mm, yeah. So they are telling themselves like they are SaaS solution and they are going to refine the content better, and they are going to use the ChatGPT for like a powerful assistant like that. So the link will be there in the description, so you can able to see what they are doing. And they are telling them like they are giving a cool AI chat interface, which I really liked it. And they are giving personas and whatever I said earlier, right? So they are providing these things, and they are saying like we have improvised this like that. But anyway, let's see, like let's compare how this ChatGPT 4 of OpenAI is better than this one. So you all know, right? If you want to make use of ChatGPT 4, which is not free, we have to pay $20. So they are saying like, hey, if you are there is a limited deal is going on, you can go with some $9 or like something. But yeah, what features they are giving? Like cost is something next, but what features they are giving? They are telling them like in as you know the chat interface is there, chat history is there, which is common for both. And but we are giving you even better. So we are giving you the search filter, search or filter chat folder, and it can say they are saying like read any web page, advanced AI personas, and they're telling us like they are giving this much options, which helps us like that. So, and most important thing is like we don't need an API key, ChatGPT API key. We don't need to worry about generating the key and looking into the OpenAI and seeing like hey, how much we are using. So we don't need to worry about that. They will use their own keys. And yeah, that's the main thing I liked about this one. And they are telling them like who needs it. So I am especially coder and website developer. I'm mostly from DevOps side, so it pretty much helped me. I was using ChatGPT regular for most of the prompt. Yeah, it gave me a good idea, but I can't able to land into the solution. But this ChatGPT 4 is really a good one. Even it can't able to solve my complex problem, but at least the way it's guiding me really helps. So I'm going to make use of those things. So yeah, that will be pretty interesting to see. and they are saying like they are giving us these things and what are the plans we have, and there's a limit. Yeah, this plan is going to get over. Okay, anyway, uh, let's see like what we can do with this tool. So my plan now is like I'm planning to create a Udemy course in GitHub. So I'm going to do compare both the things and see like which one is faster like that. So I'm going to show everything. Currently, it is using ChatGPT 3, and let's go here. Let me just create a new folder for this purpose. Let me just say YouTube. And there are, as you can see, there are different plans were available, which we will elaborate and see in detail. That's just an overview. So in my case, I don't want this to be shared with my team. So let me just open like this. So yeah, here I'm going to create a new chat. So, like, as you are aware, if you are leveraging the ChatGPT 4, you will be having an option here saying like, hey, this is ChatGPT 3, ChatGPT 3.5, and ChatGPT 4. How they are better like that. So you'll be choosing there, right? If you have did the $20 payment. So currently, I didn't do any payment, so I am left with this one. So I'm going to compare it fair enough. So let's this be the 3.5, and I will also choose the AI model as the default is going to be 3.5. So let this be 3.5, and we'll see some more advanced things as well. And they are also having something like Claude instance and like Claude advanced personas. Let me just see how I want academic researcher, anything useful for me, career consultant. Individual looking for guidance. No, you don't need that. Debate. As you can see, right, you are an educational content. You can help user to engage in information content and learning material. Okay, this seems to be like I can rely on. Even I also didn't test these features much, so I think I don't need to go with any other feature. But okay, I think yeah, let's just. YouTube expert. You are a YouTube creator. Your knowledge is in crafting YouTube videos, title, description. Okay, yeah. Let's just test the YouTube feature for our this current video. But time being, interested in career consultant. Oh, my bad. I have chosen wrongly. And yes, we can able to change the personas before we start prompting. Same for the model as well, I believe. Here is a education content creator. And yeah, once we start prompting, we can't able to change it. Just like how we had in ChatGPT 4, right? The same thing. So let's just first, I'm really interested in something free. So I'm going to say, um, I want to publish. I'm not really good at prompting. So if you are seeing this video and you know like any other good prompts, comment it there. But anyway, let me just go with my way of seeing. So I want to publish GitHub course in YouTube. No, not in YouTube. Let's just say Udemy. Uh, Give me. Let's make it simple and let's try to leverage and see each and every model. So I want to publish GitHub course in Udemy. Give me title, course description, target audience. What else we can go with? Target audience and target audience. Curriculum, estimated duration, mm, and other essential. Oh, other essential. Okay, let me just paste it. One thing I don't like about this one is like it's bit slow. When I was trying this. Okay, this seems to be a bit fast, I guess, but odd. Hey, why it's not working? Strange. The ChatGPT 4 AI page that I've tried, those are pretty slow. I'm not sure why it's happening like that. But anyway, yeah, let's try to create a new chat. Anyway, I have the prompt in place. Oh, okay, let's just see what it's giving me. What's wrong in this one? Okay, let's go with new chat, or I will try to refresh it and see. It should, yeah. So yeah, it will take some time, and it's saying like it's using ChatGPT 3.5 API. But yeah, I got some result, right? So yeah, let's compare it side by side, and we will see. Okay. Here one more feature is like we can able to copy these things in a side by side document. Where is it? Yeah, click document. So like let's say like I want to do this course, right? So I usually what I will do if I'm using this ChatGPT means I have to copy in a Word and I have to open side by side, which they are giving us like the option here, and here also we have the copy plain text. Uh, okay, you can even export. Okay, this feature it will be coming soon. But yeah, we can have this document sort of thing, and we have some saved prompts, which I said earlier. And what is this one? Oh, it's giving me like what these things are, how the settings were. Oh, it took 549 token. Very strange. Yeah, anyway, so let's just compare side by side. So here it's saying like the mastering, GitHub, a comprehensive guide to version control and okay, okay, target audience, discourse, curriculum, getting started, creating GitHub account. Okay, yeah, it seems to be fine till now. Advanced GitHub technique. I feel like this part can be even more improvised, the curriculum. I'm just planning to have maybe my prompt I have mentioned very small. Okay, other essential interactive, not the curriculum duration and other stuff based on specific. So how much estimation is giving? 8 to 10 hours. Okay, let's see how it goes. This seems to be much better, I feel. The ChatGPT more than Magai, I feel like this makes more sense to me. Okay, and it's more clean to look. Advanced kit technique, with rebase. Yeah, whatever I felt like. I think the 3.5 version, I think this is better. Okay, it's using DaVinci 002. Hmm, interesting. Maybe I have to improvise. Okay, fine. Okay, let me just do one thing. Okay, I will just create like this and I will see. Let's see. I want to create YouTube video where we will compare and GPT with. Okay, let's see how this comes for me. And same prompt, let me try to put here. For new chat, I just have to click new chat. And, this is, uh, yeah, not sure. Let me just, oh, I need to, okay, now I got it. So now let me try with different persona, educational content creator. Okay, natural language and test how the ChatGPT and Magai understand and respond to different questions and conversation prompts. Compare the accuracy. Hmm. conversation ability, evaluate the conversation skill, both model engaging, knowledge and information, creating writing, option and subjective, ethical consideration, user experience and user training. And think 3.5, more than 3.5, I feel like this is far better. I never used 3.5 there. I was directly using ChatGPT 4. So here what it's saying, just yeah, mostly same, right? Conversation flow, language generation, dealing with ambiguity, response time. I think both are giving the same prompt, but for the previous one, I'm not sure why it didn't provide it properly. This seems to be fine. And one thing I like about this one is like, yeah, we can able to copy the code. There we can't able to copy. We have to manually copy paste it. Okay, specific domain and contextual, non-textual input. Okay, let me just test few more areas based on my understanding. I'm going to say like this is very complex. So give me uh, okay, I will just go very generic. Give me a code. I'm really bad at this. But yeah, let's see how it comes here. And same, let me just go here. Oh, still not entered. Every time I have to click refresh. I'm not sure why this is like this. So you can see, right? It's taking some time, and especially when I switch to ChatGPT 4, which I will do soon, it's taking a lot of time. So here it gave me the code. Let me just quickly see. Okay, here is an example to create. First, we have to make API revision. Here you can see copy code, right? I can just click this and I can copy it. Here I don't find that particular option. Maybe I have so much plugins and it's not working for me. I'm not sure. You can give a try and you can see that. Constant fetch API. Okay, the code needs little bit correction, but yeah, this is a simple thing. I asked for very simple stuff. So yeah, let's see how this one goes. More than this one, I like the coloring, but unfortunately, the copy option is not there. I need that one. Mm, export, okay. Hmm. Okay, this is when compared to this one, I feel like what I'm expecting getting from here. As you can see, you can pause the video and also you can see if you're a techie. But yeah, even in this also, I need to improvise more. Like I have to add even more few things. But yeah, this seems to be fine. And yeah, let's just go with new chat. Now this time I really want to test the persona. So let me just. So I never tried this Clad. Let me use this one, and I will choose persona as educational content creator. Let's see how this works. For this one, I will try to, yeah, let me use the same thing, I believe. Mm, okay, let's see how this goes for the coding part. Ah, at last, okay. So let's see what it's from. Instant, okay, instant seems to be a faster one, I believe. Post. So you can see some changes in the coding, right? So based on the model, it's getting different. And yeah, we can't able to, oh, we can able to change it back. Nice, this is. And I have chosen education content creator. It's just sharing me the code. Okay, this from React and users fetch and therefore. Okay, okay. When you ask me like ChatGPT 3.5 versus React, I feel like both are equal. Like at the first prompt, even though I didn't find like that much useful, the second prompt was a bit different. So I'm going to say like both are going to be same. ChatGPT 4, I have tested it like if you can like the ChatGPT 4 OpenAI, the same thing. With this one, I don't have that one. So I just tested for my personal work and I found like pretty useful this ChatGPT 4. And I have to test Cloud Advanced also. I never gave a try. Let's see like what else it's going to say. AI model, Cloud Advanced, and give me course title and curriculum for creating GitHub course and publishing Udemy. So yeah, okay. Here is some example course title, curriculum, setting up GitHub, version control, Git workflow. Okay, yeah, this seems to be far better, I believe, from previous one. But even there are a few more things that needs to get added. But yeah, at least this seems to be fine. Okay, let me just move on with few other stuff. Let me try to save the prompt. Save the prompt. I don't have any. Okay, how can I save the prompt? Yeah. Okay, copy prompt, edit, save prompt. So I can just click save and it should be saved. And like if I want to test it with other model, I can quickly do that. What else they have? Okay, dark mode, light mode. I never tested light mode. Okay, really. Okay, let me just switch off this one. Uh, no. I don't want to move it light mode. I better stick to dark mode. Yeah. Okay, what else we have? Now, let me go to. I can even archive and delete the chat. So, archive option is there, which is really good. Oh, I made this much calls. Okay, let me try to archive this one. Oh, it's not asking. Okay, for deletion, it's asking confirmation. And it's telling me like which folder these are. Can I able to move it to some different folder? Oh, okay, like this. Okay, one by one I have to move, I believe. But yeah, I think this is fine. Okay, what are archived ones? Oh, okay. The UI looks good to me. It's giving everything. And I just created, this is called something called brand. So if you want, we can able to create it. Uh, so like I just provided some links here and it was working fine. Like I have to improvise it even better. I have to add some photos, those things. But yeah, it looks fine to me. So in that way, I've added this brand thing dashboard. Let's see like how we have used till now. So it's showing me the recent chat. and it's telling me like 6,265 words got generated, 7 chats created, new chat. Okay, they are even providing the image things, but yeah, we'll go one by one. So if I click chat folder, right? So the chat contents will be there, and if I click chat, everything will be there, and I can able to filter like my chat. And there, here currently I didn't add any theme, but if I add a theme, I can able to see the team's chat as well. Image editor. Mm, I just made this thing up, so I'm just trying to say like GitHub issue reminder. Let's just see like I'm just going something technical and see the AI image. Yeah, let's see how it goes. And they are even having like remove background, and they are having the option to replace background upscale. What are the images they have? No, I really don't like this one. But at least they are trying to generate something. Maybe I have to provide some good prompt. Let me just say image generation. Um, there's a website like Leon or something. Uh, let's just see like any prompt we can able to get from this website. Mm, mm, man, wait. Okay, let me just try this one. Yeah, just now you strike my mind. Let's just see how it comes out. Okay, let's see. Mm, yeah, okay, it's just giving me like it's not giving much option, but still it's fine. And we have something called I can able to upload the image. I can able to generate like type your colors. So these things there where remove background. Yeah, I want to remove background. Oh, here already it's removed. Okay, replace background. Um, the theme. Let's just see how it comes. Yeah, upscale image. Okay, so they are providing us these sorts of options. Okay, they still have to improvise this one, but even I also want to improvise my prompting stuff. So the next video, based on your comments, I will try to improvise it. And what else we have? So we have something called image library. I believe this is the images that we got, right? So it's showing me the saved prompt. Uh, Here, yeah, it should be here. I can able to copy it, edit it. So when I'm doing the things like if I am doing the chat, I can able to leverage this new persona type persona instruction. Okay, I can able to generate my own persona itself. So this is nice, and I can able to share with my team. And usage. Before starting, I believe I was used to 2%. Now it's little bit more. Yeah, the main reason why I didn't leverage for is like for my work purpose I have to do much, so that's why I didn't leverage the 4. But anyway, we will see one example with ChatGPT 4. Something useful for all of us. Mm, ChatGPT 4. Let me go with the same thing. That should help us, right? Saved from copied. Oh, great. Uh, I have okay. Let's just see how it's giving this one. This will take a minute for me to create these things, but Yeah, I should have improvised my prompt better, but just in a really a normal way, I'm just trying to see how it goes. And if you feel like you provided something dangerous, you can like personal information, something you can able to delete it. And yeah, it have the option to save if these things were there. It will take a while, and what else we can do? The info it will give me these things. Okay, so yeah, let's just see like what are features I might have missed. What are the things we can test? Okay, I showed you these things. I believe I showed all the critical features that are available and support. Support it's not 24 by 7, and you can see like support is away for something. If you have a prompt, if you have any queries or something, you can type here and you have to wait for a while. You'll be getting a response back in email. But still, they are providing some information, so that is fine. And account-wise, I believe general account information will be there, like and the plans, everything will be there. I know this is not much organized, but I just feel like we have to test everything and we have to see it. So it's even telling me like this particular use this much. So if we have more team members, we can go with more options. But yeah, let's just see whether. Oh, okay, it got created here. Okay, if you see, like, what I'm expecting the same way it's giving me. So this is quite good. I have to improvise certain things here, but when compared to other stuff, this four you can see, right? The same wise, like how we have the ChatGPT 4 trying to give the same sort of thing in a very improvised manner, so which is really good for us. So this seems to be really good. And last but not least, so yeah, I believe I have covered all the essential features in a non-organized way. But the main idea and the ratings I can give is like when it comes to ChatGPT 3.5 model, I can say both are equal. So instead of leveraging ChatGPT 3.5 in Magai, you can proceed with OpenAI ChatGPT. Um, so nothing much I can yeah, both seems to be same. And when it comes to ChatGPT 4, I can say like we have to pay $20, but you will have the unlimited prompt. Let's say like you are doing a lot of prompting means in that case, yeah, for every month you can pay $20 and you can leverage or you can go with this one. But the thing I like from here is like they have customized things in a better way. Like I have used ChatGPT 4 earlier, so when comparing it, I find little things this they have made it better in this way. Like it's going to use the same thing, but yeah, they just added some temperature or like certain precise thing, I believe. So that seems to be good. So if you're an average user like that, I recommend you to go with Magai's one. If not, you can go with if you're like using too much, you can go with you can buy the $20 subscription from ChatGPT, or if you are a person you just rarely do some ChatGPT prompt, there are like free tools are available for ChatGPT, so you can leverage that. And yeah, another thing I like about this one is like Claude instance. So they are giving the Claude prompting also for us, which is really good. And they have the persona. So in our prompt, we used to type like as this person, as a marketer, give me the query in this way, like that. So they are going coming up with this persona. Uh, so yeah, when test a persona, I don't find it's like that much prompting or like it's making some difference, but still, we can able to leverage and customize these things better. So in that case, yeah, we are fine. And yeah, this is for the rating. So when it comes to like each model, I have provided this rating. I never tested Claude in the separate instance. Claude is really new to me, and I heard from this my guy only. So I'm pretty much not sure how good this is, but I really like the APIs and how the way it's using. And apart from that, the interface, if you see, like I really like this interface, but especially when it comes to coding for the copy option is not there. But apart from that, I really like the way the chats are organized and kept and it's giving me all the necessary information. I really like this chat folder thing. Image editor, yeah, there are like even more plenty of tools available. We have like free AI image editing tools are available. So it's not like super critical, but yeah, it's providing some decent image. And where there is a background removal is there. So yeah, let's just try the last option of removing the background. Let's just see like yeah, let's see remove background. Will it remove it or like how it works? Let's see how much this will do. Okay, seems to be like good, right? Yeah, this image is not that much great, but yeah, the and side it can able to improvise. But overall, like it's good to me. Like okay, yeah, there is a shade like this. Uh, yeah, I think this is fine. Yeah, okay, this part is fine. And what else? Yeah, we have the custom persona, and they are having the dashboard. The dashboard you have to improvise a lot. Like I want to see like how much the daily usage is just like an OpenAI. So they have to improvise this dashboard a lot. But at least it's giving some decent information like how much things I have used and the usage part. Okay, usage. There is no usage for a cloud. Okay, fine. Okay, and yeah, these things they have. So overall rating and like overall, I feel like this Magai is really good, and I can give 3 out of 5. There are many things they have to add and improve. If you are a person who are like moderate using and you feel like, hey, I want to leverage ChatGPT, but I don't want to pay every $20 for ChatGPT for means you can proceed with Magai, or else you can proceed with other free tools or like based on your usage you can proceed. Overall, this is their roadmap they have, and it's of 17th June. You can see they have implemented this cloud, and you can see these things got completed, and they have these things in progress. So there are like limitations that I encountered in a chat. Like if I keep on prompting, at certain point, what happens like it's throwing an error, and what I have to do is like I have to open a new chat and I have to prompt it. So they are just removing that particular thing. It's like if this one I can say like if you're having a too much chat conversation, in that case only, we will be encountering this one, this token issue. Apart from that, yeah, but still they are working on this one. Let's see like how the improvised version is. And yeah, transcript video, and they have added these things in place. Okay, AI ChatGPT for 32K, nice. And they are you trying to proceed with Bard and like form, which is good. And they have the web search as well. So these things they are planning to uh, take into account, and like these things they are planning to consider. So their roadmap is pretty good to me. Uh, yeah. So let's just come to the pricing, which is very much important, right? So if you directly log into Magai, like let me just sign out and I will show you. Sign out. So if I try with sign up, I'm just giving some, yeah, which email I can provide. Okay. Um, okay. So last name. Okay. Let's see. Let's just sign up. So you can see, right? So they are giving a free trial. So the plan now I'm showing you, right? That is this plan, $79 per month. But what I did was like there is this website called Rocket Up. So from there I purchased it. So which I showed here, right? And you can see where at the time of purchasing, I was planning to go with professional plan, but unfortunately that got sold out, and I first try this personal plan, and The thing is like we don't have the image generation, background remover, background replacer, and image upscaler. But if I'm the person who wants to use ChatGPT for, so that's my main purpose, and I was using it. And what I found was like it just gave me 20K of ChatGPT words output. And the way, if you see here, I have used only 4%. Like there, it was showing me 20%. So I just felt like for my usage, this is not very convenient one. So I had no choice. So I can't able to proceed the professional plan, which has got sold out. I have no other choice to go with this one. So, but yeah, if you're a person like this Rocket Up lifetime thing will get sold out soon. So if you're watching this video, then grab this opportunity and try to purchase your favorite plan. I know these are all costing a lot, but if you look at the overall time, like if you look it, you can see like it's more profitable because now ChatGPT 3.5 is free, which is really good. And after some time, let's believe like even ChatGPT 4 will get free and ChatGPT 5 will come to picture. So in that case, um like they are giving support for even ChatGPT 5 once it comes. They are not overcommitting it, but they are telling them like, hey, we will do these things. So I feel like, yeah, they are having the future roadmap, which seems to be decent and okay. So I just felt like, yeah, I need this one. And yeah, it pretty much helped me. And yeah, like they are saying, like they are giving 30 days money back guarantee. So yeah, these things I can able to highlight here. So my recommendation is if you're a person, yeah, if you're a person who is you're making very limited usage and you are looking for a one-time payment to leverage AI in a better way, I believe like you can go with $99 plan. Or if you are a person who are looking for free solution, and then I recommend you go with whatever that's available. Like you can go with ChatGPT, Bard, Bing AI, and what are the other good solutions were there, right? Free solution with limited time, so you can go. If you are an average to moderate, then you can leverage these things. So yeah, when it comes to plan, yeah, I don't recommend personal plan that much. If you are in a limited to average usage of ChatGPT 4 and like other stuff. But yeah, I feel like yeah, this is a pretty good plan, and I'm looking for some team members. So if you're watching this video and want to like leverage this thing, you want to get benefit from it, I can able to help you out. So let me just quickly see. Where is it? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah, it's the choose plan. So currently they are giving for $9 per month. Maybe I can make it for a $5, and the link is there in the description. So you can utilize the agency plan. After some time, it will get restricted. So I'm planning to provide you in that way. Uh, so yeah. Uh, so these are the plans they have for the month, and maybe like if you are going with monthly or yearly wise, I can say you can go with professional. You have to pay $24 per month, which seems to be decent. I can say like the overall cost will be huge, but I can say like the professional is really a good and a very balanced plan. And yeah, if this lifetime deal got over and you want to leverage it, and you can go with uh, agency plan, and they are even giving more plan. If you are enterprise looking for this solution, yeah, they are giving you like enterprise plus and enterprise plus. I mean enterprise and enterprise plus. So you can see like whatever things there, yeah, it's there, but they are going to add you like more. Prompting count those things. So you can see the word count everything, right? So yeah, these are the things we have. So feel free to grab this opportunity in Rocket Up, or you can able to leverage here, or you can reach out to Telegram. So thank you so much for your time and patience. We'll have an updated video about my experience and review in others review. So yeah, thank you so much. Have a great day.